Let's prepare a hoop for hand embroidery. We're going to start by taking the hoop apart and placing the inner circle underneath the fabric. Position your fabric so that your pattern is centered, and then press the outer hoop down over the top so that the metal screw used to tighten the hoop is on the top. Begin to tighten the screw while holding the nut in place so that your hoop becomes tighter around the fabric. Pause partway through to adjust the fabric, pulling it tightly to make sure that you don't have any wrinkles. Continue to tighten the screw and pull your fabric in a circle until your fabric feels tight like a drum when you tap on it. Measure about 1.5 inches around so that you can trim the excess fabric. Now trim your fabric in a circle and you're ready to begin embroidering your pattern.